Hi everyone. In this video, I am talking about an online course provided by Cisco Networking Academy and Python Institute. The course is about learning Python programming language from scratch and master Python. The course name is PCAP, Programming Essentials in Python. Cisco Networking Academy is a global IT and cybersecurity education program that partners with learning institutions around the world to empower all people with career opportunities. It is Cisco's largest and longest running Cisco corporate social responsibility program. The Python Institute is an independent non-profit project venture setup run and managed by OpenEdge, the Open Education and Development Group. It promotes the Python programming language, train a new generation of Python programmers, and support professional careers in programming in Python and related technologies. Why Python? It requires no prior programming knowledge to learn. It is user friendly with easy to read code. Python skills open you up to careers in almost any industry and are required if you want to continue to more advanced, higher paying software development and such as software engineer, system administrator, and security engineer. In this course, you will learn in demand skills such as how to design, develop, and improve computer programs, methods for analyzing problems using programming, best practices, and more. The course also prepares for the PCEP Certified Entry Level Python Programmer certification. Now, let's course details. It is a free online self-paced course which requires 30 hours of learning. It's a course which includes 30 lab activities, hands-on experience in Python programming language. Now let's look into syllabus and badges. It consists of mainly four modules and one final exam and one awareness session about PCEP exam. The four modules are Introduction to Python and Computer Programming, variables, operators, and basic I/O operations, Boolean values, conditional execution loops, list and list processing, logical and bitwise operations, functions, tuples, dictionaries, exceptions, and data processing. After completing the final exam with minimum passing score, you will get a badge which is shareable on social platforms like LinkedIn. After completing each module, you will get badge, but it is not shareable, but you can add that as achievement in your Cisco profile. Now let's look into how to search Cisco Networking Academy in Google. Click on programming courses where you will see different types of courses available. Then click on PCAP Programming Essentials in Python. Uh, then click on sign up today. Then it will take you to another website known as Skills for All, where you will see our course Programming Essentials in Python. So this is the interface. Here they provide the topic wise syllabus of this course, and on the right hand side you can see the details like duration, number of labs, the achievements and badges, etc. So I have done this course, that's why you see the resume course button. You have start button, so click on start the course button. This is the interface where you will do the course. Here you can see the module wise topics. So after completing each topic, there will be a green tick mark adjacent to your topic title. Apart from theory portion, there is labs where you can do the coding part. So there will be some questions and questions. So you have to write the answers. Like you have to write the code for that particular question, and you can run the code and you can see the results. If you have any confusion about the solution, there is a sample solution. So you can click on that sample solution where you will see the actual code. So you can compare it with your own code, whether it is correct or not. So this is the final test. Mm, it is a multiple objective test where you have to select one answer from the four options. Um, and this is the final project, tic-tac-toe for me. it was the final project. I think it's same for all who have doing this course. And here also the sample solution is there. So you can check whether your answer is correct or not. And after that, there is an entry level Python programmer certification exam awareness session. It is in another exam and it is a paid one. You can write this exam after you pay the fees, but there is a discount for the people who have done this Python course. Now I will show my Cisco profile. This is my Cisco profile. In the achievement session, you can see my badges and achievements I have earned after completing this course. This badge is shareable and I have shared it on my LinkedIn platform. Also, you can share. And this one is the achievement when I completed the first module. And there are achievements when you complete all the modules, but it is not shareable. You can keep this in your Cisco profile. So, hope you will do the course and enjoy learning. Happy learning.